So for emails, simply click on email accounts. This will take you to a new page. Here we're supposed to click on create, then simply enter the first part of the email, which is the username, and then create a password for it. So once you've done that, you'll click create at the bottom and your email will be ready. So you can see right now we have the first email there, and this can be accessed directly through the cPanel, or you can also create another email right now. Just simply put in another username and the password, then click create, and the email will be ready. Now you can notice now we have two new email addresses. For us to be able to access them, we can simply click on check mail and it will open. And there's also another way of you doing this through what we refer to as webmail. So you simply type in your email, your website domain name, and then /webmail. So right now you can see once you click on it, we'll be able to access the emails, which we can now open. You can simply proceed with Roundcube, or you can also try the alternative, which is referred to as Hod. So this is simply a platform for you to be accessing your emails from. So now you can see we have an automatic email. So this is usually sent for each email address which you create, and it has the credentials for your email address, which can also be used when adding your email to maybe, let's say, a mobile phone device, where instead of going to webmail, you can directly go to your emails, either on Android or iPhone, and simply log into your account. Okay, so we can also check the other mail. So something to realize here. So if you need to create an email from a particular email account, you need to click on it first and then now be able to create an email there. So this works similar as the other email hosting accounts such as Gmail and Yahoo. So you'll get your inbox, there's the sent box, you also get the junk and the spam box. So this is the alternative way of accessing it. So we'll simply type in the domain name, then /webmail. So you'll realize this will prompt us to enter our email address and the password. So if you use this method, you'll also be able to access your emails. So this is usually recommended where you don't have to first log into your cPanel and then again log into your emails. So with this, on any browser, either on mobile or computer, you can be able to simply log in and access all your emails at a centralized location. So here we'll simply put in the email address, the password, and you realize the login will be similar to the one which we had before. Because at the end of the day, you end up in the same email accounts. So here now you can show an example of how to create an email. So you just simply put in the email address to who you're sending, enter the subject, normal way you do it on a normal email account, and then below there, that's where you are able now to type in your content. So you can type in the content, and once it's ready, simply click send, and the email which you're sending to will be able to receive this email. So another thing which is good to notice is sometimes these emails have a challenge. Once you send an email to Gmail or Yahoo, they can easily mark your email as spam. So this is usually a limiting factor once it assumes maybe you're doing a marketing campaign. So with this, it's best to liaise with your hosting company and notify them immediately once you realize all your emails are going to the spam mail, even before you start using your email for marketing purposes. So I've sent my email and I'll be able to receive this in a few seconds by simply logging into the Gmail which the email was sent to and being able to open it and seeing the email. With that covered, now we are ready to proceed to the next part where we'll install WordPress and start our website editing.